to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, welcome to the crazy family. And if you already been here, that means you already know you're part of the family. Today we partnered up with Bobbi Brown. I'm going to be bringing you guys their new products. I'm going to be using the new infrared eyeshadow palette. This right here. I'm going to wait into that so I can show you guys what the colors look like. But this is the packaging on front. Look how beautiful it is. I'm a sucker for pretty packaging, and this got me. This is hella pretty. And also I'm going to be playing with their new, this is tongue twisting, so hold up, wait a minute, Luxy Liquid Lip High Shine colors. I'm gonna bring you guys a fall wearable look that you can wear at nighttime, morning time, whatever you want, because I gave you guys already a fall makeup look, but it was like very harsh, like in your face, like boom. This is more wearable, and I'm excited to show you guys. But yeah, so if you want to see how I create that beautiful look, keep on watching. All right, so I already have on moisturizer, primer, and corrector to start off, to just get right into point. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Bobbi Brown Skin Lone Wear Weightless Foundation SPF 15. This is my perfect color. This is in the color Warm Almond 6.5. I'm going to go ahead and put that all over my face. Grabbing a clean booty blender. Now I'm going to start buffing this in all over my face. That covers me up. I love that. And I love that I don't have to mix with other foundation, because as you guys know how it is for me, I have to mix a bunch of stuff to make my color, and with this foundation I'm 6.5 and I don't have to mix anything. That makes me very excited. What I love about this foundation is that it gives me like a natural finish without making me feel like cake on, but it still covers up, so that's like a plus for me. Then I'm gonna go ahead and move on with some concealer. You guys already know my Tarte concealer in color Deep. So we put together with some of that over concealer. Now to highlight, I'm going to be using JOUER concealer in the color Rich Ginger. I love how this concealer feels. So creamy. And it covers up really, really good. All right, boom, 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 boom. We got the highlight going on. I'm going to let them marinate a little. I'm going to be grabbing the Superstay Maybelline foundation, and in the color 360, and this is going to be my contouration. I've been loving this to contour. It's just amazing and so creamy, like hella easy. Pick up that note. And here. And here. There you have it. And then grabbing a semi-clean booty. I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out. All right, where contour, you see this face? Snatch. Now it's time to blend out the concealer. Don't want to grab a clean booty. We're gonna grab another clean booty. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend everything out. Start with my chin area, lip, nose. Remember guys, I always say this in every tutorial. Make sure that you take your time when you're blending. Okay, it doesn't take 2 seconds to do this. A good 10 minutes to get a flawless blendation. Take your time. 20 minutes later, I'm gonna go ahead, whatever's left on the booty, and lift up the right, not the hair, move the hair back. Clean up where the contour is at for a little bit of lift. And we blend out, honey. We blend out. It's time to set. Favorite part. I'm going to be using Huda Beauty to set my under eye in the color Kunafa. This right here. It's a balm powder to set under your eye. And I'm just setting it right away. And whatever's left on the spongy, I go ahead and go through the whole face. So here we are, all set. I haven't sprayed my face on yet because we haven't finished, and we're gonna move on to eyes. I'm gonna be using the Bobbi Brown palette. This 8 beautiful warm shades. You can never go wrong with warm shades. We have from shines to mattes, and I always say if a palette has transition color, it's a go for me, because I could make it work. You know, if it's only metallics, you'd be like, you're kind of scared. But if it has transitions, you're good. This palette is valued at $39, and it's a limited edition Sephora exclusive. And like I said, it's a mix of mattes and shinies. So let's play with this babies all up. Let's see what's up. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna be using the Lone Wear Cream Shadow Sticks. This is just a light color, color vanilla. And I'm gonna drag this all over my eye. This is gonna make your eyeshadow stand out and all that good stuff. Put it all over, and then I'm gonna blend it out. I'm not even gonna lie. You know what I was scared of? You know when this prolonged sticks, when you blending it, they get locked in and they don't move. And I love how it just went in without locking in the color, and it was easy to blend. So that's a plus for me. So the first one we're gonna start with is with this one right here. It's called Red Rocks, and I'm gonna add that all over my lid to give me like a transition and just start off really good in there. This is my first time using the palette too, so you guys will get my reaction on camera. So we're gonna see what's up, what's popping. Oh, she is pigment. She got the pigment going. Perfecto. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sweep this back and forth on my crease. Right here. Yep, she's working right there. I'm gonna be grabbing the darker brown right here, burgundy, and this one's called Solar Flame, and I'm gonna add it on the corner of the eyes with a flat brush to be easier, and then I'm gonna blend it out. Oh, this is nice. All right. Okay, so we're gonna add this here, and in the inner. And it doesn't have to be perfect because you're gonna blend it out. This colors makes me so excited because it's like I think of sweater, coffees, all that good stuff. And we're done. I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm gonna grabbing a blending brush and I'm gonna go ahead and blend those. I'm gonna go ahead and blend the dark color because we don't want no harsh lines. No harsh lines, honey. No harsh lines. So while we blending, it's gonna take some of the color off, and that's completely fine because you could go back with it again. I'm gonna grab the flat brush again with the darker tone and go on top of it again. And this time I'm gonna bring it a little up right here. And do the same thing in the inner. And that's why you start with a little color at first, and then you start building it. You start building it up. And then with the blending brush, I'm gonna dip it again in the dark tone. And go in the crease. And bring it up and connect. Don't be afraid of connecting. But a little bit of product, okay? Like literally, like I dip it like this. Dip. Like that, okay? And don't worry about the middle. The middle we're gonna go in with a shimmery color. We're not worried about that right now. That comes later. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab the same brush that I started with, and we're gonna grab the transition color right here, and we're gonna go on top of everything to just make it a little more brighter tone and make sure that everything looks blended and good. So now we're gonna go into the middle of the lid. This is optional. This is up to you if you want to make the middle tone pop a little more. I'm gonna grab, or you could go straight from the eyeshadow palette and pack it in there and you're ready to go. But I'm gonna grab another Longwear cream shadow stick, and this one is in the color Sunlight Gold. Sunlight Gold, this right here. And I'm gonna add it in the middle right here. I get so excited. And then I'm debating because there's so many beautiful sheen colors. What color we want to throw in the middle? We want to do like a goldy or like a, ooh, let's do a rose gold. I'm thinking to do gold, but I always do, that's pretty too. I'm thinking that one in the inner. We should do that one. That's gonna be very sparkly, but I like this one too. I don't know what to do. Okay, let me see. Okay, I'm gonna mix this two together on the middle of my lid. So we're gonna start with the rosy gold first. And I'm gonna go ahead and pack it. I'm not flipping you off. I use the middle finger. It just has more intense, you know? I'm not flipping you off, even though it looks like I get. Don't mind my nails, guys. I haven't got my nails done. I just came home from visiting my family. I was enjoying time with my family and I didn't have time to go and do that. So Yeah. So then on top of that, I'm gonna grab this one right here. Look at that. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm gonna do the other eye. All right. Look at that. Okay, so we good with the inner corner. Now we're gonna go back again with the dark tones that we started with, because if you see there's like a little harsh lines and we don't like those. I'm gonna go again with the dark brown burgundy tone with a blending brush. No, let's use the flat. I'm gonna go with the flat. Just make sure to remind her that there was some color in there and you came in trying to pop. You know what I mean? Then going back again with the same color we started. I'm just dabbing in there. So there's no harsh lines in between anything. Look how beautiful that, oh, that's so pretty. Yep, look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, now we're gonna take it to the bottom row down here to smoke it out, because we gotta smoke it out. I'm gonna grab the same brush that I used for the corner. And we're gonna smoke it out. And do the same thing that we did on top. On the bottom. Again, grabbing Sunlight Gold down here, because it's gonna be a sandwich on top and sandwich on bottom. Like, hello, we can just do sandwich on top and do sandwich on bottom. I grabbed the same two that I grabbed on top to mix, but I'm gonna be using a brush for this time because it's like really delicate in there. I'm gonna go ahead and spritz my brush right quick, so I grab a little more product. Now I'm gonna move on to mascara, grabbing the Bobbi Brown Black Eye Opening Mascara. This brush is huge. I'm a little intimidated by it, but we're gonna go for it. You guys know I normally use like little ones, so we're gonna see what's up. Ooh, that give it a cute little lift. I like that. Getting prepared for lashes. Now for the bottom ones, I'm gonna be using one of my favorites, Standard Play Lash by MAC. So we're gonna rock those bottoms. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows and put lashes off camera, and I'll be right back. All right, so we're back with my eyebrows and my lashes. This is one of my favorite lashes right now. These are by Fame Lash collaboration with my friend Kevin Wade. They're so pretty and wispy. You could use it like on a natural, or if you want a extravagante look. But look how pretty these lashes are. I love it. All right, so now we're gonna move on to bronzer. I'm gonna grab MAC Deep Dark. You guys already know what's up, what's poppin'. One of my favorite things ever. And give this face a little bit of bronzer. So pretty. Boom, 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 boom. Forehead. And we set a little down here right now. Now for blush and a little more bronzer, I'm going to be using bronzing powder, and it's called bronzing powder, dark 3 right here. I'm going to use it as a blush and just to add a little more color on my bronze up right here. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, look how that looks. Oh, I love this. This is my first time trying this. I was scared. I was like, it's gonna be too dark. I love it. It reminds me of my Sun Power, but like, oh, I love this. All right. So I use it as a blush. Now for highlight, I'm going to be doing a little concoction. I'm going to be using their Sunset Glow Highlighting Powder by Bobbi Brown. If you guys can see, it's like a little, it's pinkish. So I love that. I want to put that on top of my other highlighter that I'm going to use. I do like a little concoction every time I use a highlighter, because one of them is just not enough as a highlight. I like using more. This one is by MAC, but it's discontinued. It's called Glorified. It's just what I used before I put any other highlighter on, so the highlight don't look ashy or anything like that. And it's golden, so I just add a little bit of this on the bottom, and then I'm gonna grab this one. Ooh. Okay, let me spray my brush a little, because I want it to be like, let's see what happens. Oh, that's gonna look so beautiful. And let's see. I'm blending it into the blush so there's no, you know, harsh lines. Ooh. Ooh. I like it like that. Bring it a little in the eyebrow bone. Why not? Oh, that's beautiful. So now we're gonna move on to the lips. I'm gonna be using the Ed Natural one, and this is how it looks like. They come in 9 beautiful different shades. They're valued at $37, and you can find them at your local Sephora. This is the one. Oh, but look at it. I had never seen a one like this. I'm excited to put it on. But before we put it on, I'm gonna go ahead and light my lids first. I'm not gonna play myself looking like powdered donuts. It's not going to happen. I normally use CORK by MAC, but because I want more of a detailed lip liner, I'm gonna use NYX lip liner. I'm gonna line these babies up. Then grabbing the Lush liquid lip, I'm gonna start in the middle. I love how the wand feels. It makes it go so easy. And by the way that I'm putting it on, it feels very lightweight, not heavy. And the color payoff is like boom. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix my hair, give you a little cute little close situation, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so this is the finished look. I fluffed off my wig for y'all. Changed the shirt. I still have on pajama pants on though. You guys can see that, so I'm good. Anyways, I love how everything came out. I love my sandwich eye. I haven't done a sandwich eye in a long time. And I love how the glitter, well, the eyeshadow just looked like fine glitter. Like, look when I close my eyes, look how pretty that looks. Definitely this will be an add-on to one of my favorite palettes because this is beautiful. You could put this at nighttime, daytime, whatever you want. And also the lip, you could create your own lip concoction with it. You could throw in there any lip liner, more pinky, more purplish, more magenta, more of that, and create because it's a nude. I love how moisturizer you feel on the lips. Is that a word? Moisturizer, moisture, very wearable, non-sticky. You could talk anything you want and nothing's gonna happen. You see this? It feels comfortable. Anyways, thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to comment below and let me know what you guys think. If you haven't subscribed to be part of the Crazy Family, go ahead and do that right now. Turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out any of my videos because YouTube is playing with everybody like I always say. And again, thank you Bobbi Brown for sponsoring this video. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Ciao. Besitos.